was at a gun show the other day and had 4 people follow me around when they seen this Glock. Burnt bronze. And they were one asked if I was selling it. Well, one guy followed me around. He liked it so much he just had to keep looking at it, he said. But they were selling holsters. He told me to stop by. And I've seen this one, I thought, well, this would be a good match for this burnt bronze color. They had some of the brighter ones with bright red, blues, and whites. But I like this kind of old looking one. It's Kydex. He made it on the spot. I think about 15 or 10 minutes, something like that. Outside the waist, Kydex. Finally got my trigger installed. Went ahead and got the extended takedown lever too. Got it in gold. Got pins in gold. Changed out the back plate. The only thing I couldn't install on this trigger was the plunger. It's oversized. I have to call them up. Tell them to send me another one. This one measures 6.11 millimeter. I didn't measure my factory one after I just stuck it in there. But I'm sure they know what size it needs to be. I'll just tell them how big this one is. But this trigger is lighter than my Glock 20. It does have a little trowel on it to adjust that, but it's like paper. Reset. It's like just pushing on paper, so light. Might be too light. I don't know, I have to check and see. It's raining today, so I can't shoot. Yesterday I had the bugs from hell, more black fuck bugs. They were swarming all over me. I couldn't do anything outside, so I had to do this inside. Had to wait till next week to check it. So I'll get home till 7 p.m. Another thing I started doing, white color fill, so I can read which one's which. Kept all my parts. Put them in these bags, all the factory parts.